Welcome to igmGuru. igmGuru is one of the global leading online training and certification provider for IT expert by the skilled IT gurus to help them achieve their professional goals.
This is project requirements. Yesterday we have already started the material master data. Okay, so we have entered into the main core topics, that is our master data, types of master data. In that first master data we are discussing about material master data. So as in the project during different types of project, whenever you got as per the client requirements, you have to configure the material master data, because requirement will be vary on company to company. Okay, it is not a fixed. So as a consultant, you have to design accordingly. Okay, it is not like that if you configure one company material master data, you have configured in a 3 steps or 4 steps, and same step you have to follow for the other company also. It is not correct. Okay, so as per the requirement we have to configure, because the requirement will be vary from company to company. It is not a fix. Okay, but what are the basic things for the common things that we have to configure here today? So that what will be happen? Every company, whenever, wherever you go, okay, what type of company or organization structure you are configuring, there is a no problem. Okay, so I am combining all the features I will be provide you today, and under this heading we will learn how to give a solution to our client as per their requirement related to your material master data. Okay, so real-time project client will be deals with the different types of material, different types of material. For example, they can be maintained as a raw material, particularly if they are a manufacturing company. So they must be use the raw material to produce a different products. Okay, similarly they can use a semi-finished product. Semi-finished goods means those goods are used in the for assembling purpose. Okay, normally semi-finished goods will be used for the assembling purpose to produce a finished product. Okay, to produce a finished product. For example, semi-finished goods, if you got, like if you are making a PC manufacturer, okay, you are a personal computer manufacturer. So in that case, personal computer will be prepared with using by a lot of mouse. Okay, mouse you have to use. Okay, motherboard you have to use. Okay, then monitor you have to use. Right, keyboard you have to use. So the keyboard, mouse you can use as a semi-finished goods. Okay, if you combinedly use, then it will be finished product will be PC will be the finished product. PC will be the finished product. Okay. If you talking about the raw material in between, there is a lot of raw material in motherboard. There is a lot of circuits will be used. Okay, circuits will be there. Right. Other things also will be there. Boards will be there. These are the raw materials. Okay. I hope it is clear for you what is raw material, what is semi-finished, what is finished. Another example I'm giving here, like tires. Tires, the vehicle tires. Okay, vehicle tires. So vehicle tires, you can take as a semi-finished goods, but whatever the raw material they have used here to produce the vehicle tires, the main raw material component is the carbon black. Main material is the raw material is the carbon black. Carbon black has different grade is there, but most of the all these are capable features is like a carbon black. Okay, so the main components they will be used to produce a tires, any type of tires. It is not a vehicle, any type of tires. If you are manufacturing, the main component is the carbon black. Okay, it has some lot of grade is there. N220 grade is there, N330 grade is there. These are the raw material grade. Okay, N550 is there, N660 is there. N774 is there. Okay, there's a lot of grade is there, but it is mainly the raw material to produce a tires. Now, but as a client, other than we have a raw material, we have a finished material, finished goods. These are the types of material. We are talking about the types of material, finished product, finished goods. Next, we have a semi-finished goods. Semi-finished goods, other than spares, spares material, consumable materials, packing material, trading material, okay, services, services. Yeah.
Sir, all are types of materials or examples?
These are all are types of material I'm talking. Client will be used in the real time. Your
Sir,
client, yeah.
then semi-finished goods and finished products and raw materials are also types of materials?
Yeah, yeah. This is a raw material type. This is a semi-finished. This is just an example I'm given here.
Okay, okay, sir.
Just an example. And this finished goods, okay, and your semi-finished spares, consumables, packing, trading, services. So different types of material will be used in the real time by the clients. But as a consultant, what is your focus? What to do here exactly? You have to give a proper solution here by configuring or by separating all the types of materials in the SAP system. So you have to maintain separately a separate group. Separate group you have to maintain. Separate type you have to maintain to separate it from them. So that what will be happen? If you separate them, then what will be happen? What is the result? What is the output here? So if you separate them, then they can easily track. They can get the report very easily. They will not search for all mix up. They will not mix up all the material during searching. For example, suppose I have created one type here for finished goods. I have maintained here ZRFT, okay, and semi-finished ZFSG, ZSFG, okay, ZSPR. So I have maintained three separate material type here, so that whenever any client, they will be create any new material under finished good heads. So all the material will be available on this type. Under this head, they will be create one by one. Suppose they have in this level, they have 1,000 types of new products is there. 1,000 numbers. 1,000 number finished goods they have. But if semi-finished, they have 500 goods, 500 numbers. And spares, they have a lot of 1,500 spare numbers material is there. So in that case, if you not separated in the real time in the SAP system, so it will be confused. You cannot search very easily. As a client, they will not search very easily and they will not detect very easily. So as a consultant, first your job is you have to separate them. Okay, you have to separate with each other. But how to separate? By creating a different material type. But now the two condition is there. If you are creating different material type, I'm talking material type, then SAP recommended the two rules here. You have to follow the two rules, but it is not a mandatory. SAP recommended, but it is not a mandatory. Okay. So what is the SAP recommendation here? Whenever you are creating a customized code, any type of customized code, either you are creating a material type, either you are creating a vendor account group, either you are creating a inventory group, whatever you are maintaining, whenever you are customizing anything other than standard, what are the rules here? The initial letter should be started with Z or Y. initial letter for your customized code shall be started with Z or Y so that anybody can understand what is the standard code available in the SAP system and what is the customized code that someone configured, so that they can easily understand. So this is the rule. That's why I maintain here, see, ZRFT, ZSFG, ZSPR. So you can understand these are the customized code. It is not a standard code available in the SAP system. Is all are customized code. So this SAP recommended. So basically, whenever you are customizing any code, we are initial letter we are using Z, starting with Z. Y mainly we are using for any type of backup purpose. Initial letter Y will be used for any type of backup purpose. That is SAP recommended. It is not a, but it is not, I told you, it is not a mandate. Okay, it is option. If you follow this, that is okay. If you not follow, then you have to accordingly you have to design so that anybody can understand which one is the customized code, which one is the standard code. So now you can ask me, what are the, first of all, what are the standard code? So first we have to know what are the standard code designed by SAP for the different material types. First of all, see here, what are the first standard code? They have designed for raw material, ROH. Okay, these are the standard code designed for the raw material type by the SAP system. Next, another one is your semi-finished good. Semi-finished goods. For that, they have designed HALB. Okay, HALB. Similarly, finished goods. Finished goods, FERT. So these are the main three things we can understand. Similarly, we have a spares, ERSA. Okay, like food material. Food material you can easily understand, FWD. Pipeline material. Pipeline material, that also pipe. Similarly, the services purpose, services purpose. There are two code is available by default. So normally, see here, DIEN, these also services, but it is used in ECC version. Mostly used in the older version. And ACRV, this will be used in the SAP S/4HANA. For services material type. Okay. So these are the difference between ECC. One difference you just know that in ECC version, what is the services code, and S/4HANA, what is the services code. Similarly, trading material. Trading material, HAWA. There is no changes. And non-valuated material, ENBW. Non-valuated material. Okay. Similarly, non-stock material will be there. They are not maintaining stock for that material. Non-stock, they are not showing as a stock, non-stock material. Okay, so these are the some standard code, material type code is available in the SAP system. But if you want to customize, then what will be happen? We can customize as per the requirement. So most of the cases we have to customize. So 90% people, they will be not use the standard code, because as per their requirement, they want some customized code also, fancy code also. So accordingly, our client requirement, we have to provide a customized code for them. But what is the rule here? How to customize? Everything I will be show you. So customization purpose, we will be copy the standard code. not change any standard code. Remember that. Real time, if you are configuring any project, don't change any standard code in the SAP system. Don't do that. It will create a huge problem for you. So then how to customize? If you want to customize any code, go for just copy that standard code and you customize. Rename that code and accordingly now design it. After copy, you have to edit. Before copy, don't do. First, you have to copy the code, then you have to edit the code according to your requirement. Okay. Next. So these are the different real-time requirement. It will be you can face, but all the peoples, all the company, they will not use all these things at a time. So they can use some. If it is a trading company, remember that if it is a trading company, they may not be use the raw material. Okay, they can use also only finished goods. Okay, so in that case, raw material will be not required for them. But if they are trading also raw material, then you must be configure that. Okay.
Thanks for watching the video. For full course, please visit www.igmguru.com and enroll today.